Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making the walls safe and reachable. Turn off power, remove outlet covers, and tape exposed wiring. Next, score the wallpaper lightly with a scoring tool to create channels for solution absorption. Be careful not to tear the drywall paper, small holes only. Once done, apply a solution of 1 part fabric softener to 3 parts warm water or a commercial remover using a spray bottle. Work in 3-4 foot sections so the solution soaks in evenly before scraping. You must have made a mistake. Bullet points contains invalid characters. This would break JSON. Finish by removing adhesive residue with warm water and a scrub sponge, then sand lightly to smooth paper edges.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.